If you're seeing the Epic Games error that says too many requests, don't worry, you're not alone. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into the Epic Games launcher as quickly as possible. This issue usually happens when Epic servers think you've made too many login attempts, or when your network, browser session, or launcher permissions are causing a temporary block. The good news is that in many cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced tech skills. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is simply wait and try again. I know that sounds basic, but with this specific error, sometimes the fastest fix is giving Epic Games a short cooldown period. If you've tried logging in multiple times in a row, the system may temporarily rate limit your requests. Close the launcher completely, wait a little while, and then try signing in again. In some cases, waiting 10 to 30 minutes can make the error disappear on its own. If that doesn't fix it, the next step is to switch networks. For example, if you're on home Wi-Fi, try using mobile hotspot or another internet connection. And if you're already on a hotspot, switch back to your regular network. This helps because Epic may be flagging the current IP address, or your network route may be triggering the limit. A different network can refresh the connection and get you through without the error. Another very helpful fix is to use a VPN. A VPN can change your IP address and route your connection differently, which may bypass the temporary request limit. Open your VPN, connect to a different region, and then launch Epic Games again. If the login works with the VPN on, then the issue is likely related to your original IP or network path. Just remember that if the VPN fixes it, you may not need it forever, but it's a great troubleshooting step to test. Now let's try Incognito Mode if you're logging in through a browser. Sometimes the error happens because cached cookies or old session data are interfering with the sign-in process. Open an incognito or private window, go to Epic Games, and sign in from there. This gives you a fresh browser session with no saved cookies, which can often bypass the problem. If you are using a normal browser tab and getting stuck on the error, Incognito Mode is definitely worth trying. If you're using the Epic Games launcher on your computer, there's one more important fix you should try. Run the launcher as administrator. To do that, right-click the Epic Games launcher icon and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the app the proper permissions it needs to connect and authenticate correctly. Sometimes the launcher fails to complete login requests properly unless it has elevated permissions, and this simple step can solve it immediately. If one of these steps works, go ahead and sign in normally and see if the launcher opens without the too many requests message. If you're still having trouble, repeat the process with a different network and make sure you're not rapidly clicking the login button over and over, because that can keep the restriction active longer. The key is to be patient, change the connection method, and give the launcher a clean attempt. And if this video saved you time, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more gaming fixes, app tutorials, and easy tech solutions. I make short, clear guides to help you solve frustrating problems fast. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.